Anyway, nandito na tayo sa day 2 and 6:40 na ng umaga. And day 2 is Marco's wedding, just in case you didn't know. After Marco's wedding, we are heading to Batangas para mag-free dive. We're gonna see Era, one of my old friends. So, naka-ready na po yung diving gears natin. Back. So guys, yeah, let's go. Let's start the day. So guys, we are now here. Nandito na po tayo sa hotel kung saan kami magpapalit ang mga entourage. Yeah, maaga pa, so breakfast muna tayo. Kung nagtataka ka, bakit dalawa yan? Yung isa kasi para sa girlfriend ko. May girlfriend na ako, guys. Woo! May girlfriend na ako. Alam ko kilala niyo to eh. Si Honey ko, si Mimi. So ayun guys, mamaya magpapalit tayo. Kain muna tayo, okay? Time to get ready! Plancha na siya. Okay. See you guys! So guys, we are ready and mag-video po kami. Mamaya ako nasusunod yung code. It's 11 o'clock and let's check out Jerome's room if he's done. Mimi is not yet done. Honey's not yet done. But she's gonna be very beautiful.
Meron ka bang ano? Tag dito.
So, ito lang po si Jerome.
Redo.
Ready na. Bilisan mo pre, mag-video na tayo. Kita niyo sa sinako. So, ready na. Aga, smile na rin dyan para sa vlog.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Nandito na po tayo sa Felicidad Mansion. Dito po magaganap yung reception ni Marco.
Hi! It's recording, I know.
Hindi ko ako nag-iisip pa ako ng sasalita. So we're here now at Marco's reception here in Felicidad Mansion. At hindi ko alam kung ba't nag-i-English pa rin ako pero nasa Pinas na ako. So switch na tayo sa Tagalog. Ito po mga kasama natin sa table 3.
Taken already. Taken already.
Single daw.
I'm taken already.
By who?
A few moments later.
Oh, I don't...
Dali, go!
Alright, if you're ready, ladies, come on! I don't know who you are. I need 2 chairs over here. Hi. Okay. Whoa! Ay, grabe. Whoa! Uy! Grabe ka, Jerome, ha? Ang swerte mo, Jerome.
Lagot ka, huling-huli ka, huling-huli ka, may
shoulders keeps us hanging from the end. So we'll keep on starting the fires, thinking we'll smoke out the liars. We don't give up when we're tired. That isn't the way that I'm wired. We own the future. We own the future. Someday, someday, we're gonna rule the world. I know. Someday, we're gonna rule the world. Counting down to explosion. I hear the moment approaching. Someday, someday, we're gonna rule the world. Our blood runs cold like we're reborn. Our eyes light up like a thunderstorm. There are no locked doors anymore. We own the future. We own the future. Whoa, someday, someday, we're gonna rule the world. I know. Someday, we're gonna rule the world. Counting down to explosion. I hear the moment approaching. Someday, someday, we're gonna rule the world. Future. Someday, someday soon. We own the future. Someday.
At sinabi ng ating Panginoong Diyos, hindi mabuti na ang lalaki ay mag-isa. Siya'y ilalalangkon ng isang katulong niya. At hinulugan ng Panginoong Diyos ng di kawasang himbing ang lalaki at siya'y natulog. At kinuha ang isa sa kanyang mga tadyang at pinapaghilom ang laman sa laking yaon. At ang tadyang na kinuha ng Panginoong Diyos sa lalaki ay ginawang isang babae. At ito'y dinala niya sa lalaki. At sila'y binasbasa ng Diyos at sa kanila'y sinabi ng Diyos, kayo'y magpaalalakin at magpakarami.
Maybe it's intuition.
Mahal ko, hello. I love you so much. Simple gift ko sa'yo to, mahal ko. Hehe. Bagay sa'yo to. No words can describe how happy I am today, babe. At last, magiging akin ka na officially. And meron na tayo na-fulfill na goals natin, babe. May this day help us to progress and continue to increase our love and bond to each other. I love you. I am very happy to be your husband or houseband. You're my everything. May God bless us and our family. Always stay safe, mahal ko. Na mababago ko na ang surname. Mahal na mahal kita. Sana suotin mo na tong necklace na to. Lalo kang gaganda for sure. Always happy. Always stay happy, babe. And I know madami ka pang surprises na darating sa atin. I love you so much, babe. See you later. Love. Marco. Thank you.
Sige lang kita talaga. Alam mo naman yun, di ba? Oo. Ay, lagi ang magkasama. Ang hirap ang ginawa. Tayo na lang magpakasal.
Hi babe, congrats sa atin. Eto na babe yung matagal na nating hinihintay. Going to the next chapter ng buhay natin. Babe, forever po ako na magiging grateful and blessed dahil ikaw ang binigay sa akin ni Lord. I promise na lalo kong iingatan ang relationship natin at aalagaan ka habang buhay. Sana po patuloy ka pa din magtiyaga sa akin. Alam mo nang nga mood swings ko. Alright. Basta babe, lagi mo tatandaan na lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. To guide and support you. I'm so proud of you, babe. I love you. See you in Mr.
I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life.
Kung ang lahat ng mga kautusan ito na itinatali sa inyo ngayon ay buong ingat ninyong isasagawa, ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa ay magiging matagumpay sapagkat tatamuhin ninyo ang mga pagpapal at ang paglingap ng Panginoong Diyos.
I knew I loved before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life.
Yayamang tinupad na ninyo ang matapat na pagkakasundo. Ako, sa pamamagitan ng aking karapatan bilang ministro ng Ebanghelyo, ay ipinapahayag ko na kayo'y tunay ng mag-asawa ayon sa mga utos ng Diyos at mga batas ng ating bansa. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag mapaghiwalayin ng tao.
Ready ka na ba bukas?
I'll try my best to be ready.
Kung di nyo alam, yung day 3 namin is about her
Diving.
learning free diving. So, let's see.